Hi, my name is Stephen Vazquez, owner of 10 Point Roofing in Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania. Welcome to my new YouTube channel. This is video number 1. The point of this series is to educate homeowners on roofing specific, but you can use it for pretty much anything when it comes to finding the right contractor in the area. We are going to focus on roofing, just giving you good content on how to look for the right roofer, what material you should install, and any other questions that you might have for roofing. I am from East Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania. I went to East Stroudsburg High School North. I graduated from East Stroudsburg University back in 2015. I have been in the roofing industry now for 7 years. If you're gonna watch my content, I think it's important you know who I am, where I came from, why you should listen to me when it comes to your roofing needs. I'm gonna tell you all about how I got started. I came from the restaurant world and decided that it wasn't for me anymore, the long hours. My wife was pregnant with our first child, so I wanted something where I was able to take my finances into my own hands and have better hours so that I could spend time with my family and be there for my newborn son, Silas. I went on Indeed.com and I was looking for a role local to Stroudsburg, and I found a roofing job. I had a really great experience with that company for 4 years. The owners decided to retire and I had a decision to make. The decision was, do I stick to the roofing world? Do I go do something else? And I decided to go into business for myself and stick with roofing, and it was the best decision I've ever made. Why did I decide to start 10 Point Roofing? I saw a major gap in the Poconos as far as roofing goes. People were getting quotes for $8,000 and then $30,000 for the same exact job with the same exact material. I started 10 Point Roofing because I always saw myself as an entrepreneur in a way, and I never really had the guts to make that leap. So when I did it and I made that leap, I knew I had to go full in and be invested in myself and my future. I wanted to set a new standard for roofing in the Poconos. I wanted people to be educated, I wanted them to get a fair price, and I wanted them to have a great experience with their roof installs. What does 10 Point mean, and who is RICO? RICO is the mascot for the roofing company. He is a symbol of strength, longevity. He is a symbol of hard work and perseverance. You're gonna start to see him a lot around Stroudsburg and East Stroudsburg. 10 Point Roofing, obviously I'm an avid outdoorsman. It's something I really enjoy. Being outside in general, hunting, fishing, hiking, kayaking, whatever it means, being outside with my family, hopefully helping my sons learn about the outdoors in the future is one of my prime goals. So the 10 Point symbol isn't flashy or anything like that. It's respectable, dependable, and transparent. And that's what 10 Point Roofing is to me. What makes 10 Point Roofing different from other roofing contractors in the area? What we do is we take an educational approach. Whenever you have us out for an inspection and an estimate, we do a thorough inspection. We actually get up on the roof. We look at exactly how your roof works, your attic inspection. We're gonna get up in your attic, see if there's any leaks, see how your ventilation is working, and we're gonna teach you all about that. So we don't just show up, introduce ourselves for 10 minutes, and then write a quote on a piece of paper. Everything is well thought out. We have full transparency when it comes to giving you a proper quote. A roof system is more than just shingles and plywood. There's ice and water shield, there's underlayment, there's ventilation systems, and people don't know about that. I didn't know about it when I first started roofing. So it's important that whenever you have us out, we go over exactly what those materials do, why they're important for you, and why the system works. So let's look ahead to where 10 Point Roofing is trying to go within the next 5 years. My goal is to become the leading roofing installer in the Poconos, but also expand into doing windows, siding, gutters, and just be the go-to person within the Poconos for all of your exterior needs. Something that's really important for me is culture. I want to build a great culture within my company. I want to create opportunities for people here in the Poconos, whether it be in production or administration. I'm gonna need all the help I can get as this company continues to grow. So I wanna become a staple within the community, really just be a place where people love to work. Success to me isn't just revenue, it's my reputation. So the reputation of 10 Point Roofing, I wanna hear things like, man, they came, they were on time, they did everything they said they were gonna do, I'm super happy with the result. That is the most important thing to me. For this YouTube channel, my mission is simple. I want to educate people. I want to get better with content over time. I want you to know that you're making an informed decision. Whether you're in the Poconos or not, whether you use 10-point roofing or not, it doesn't matter to me. As long as you're educated, I'm happy.
10-point roofing. Reliable roofing. Done right.